Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete symbols in MetaTrader application. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete symbols on MetaTrader 4 application, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader application. The home page of MetaTrader 4 application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on pen icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on dustbin icon at the top right side and then select the symbols that you'd like to delete. Select the symbols and tap on it. After selecting the symbols you'd like to delete, click on dustbin icon once again. This is how you can delete symbols in MetaTrader 4 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.